Right, this is 2010 LG 18,000 BTU 1.5 ton window air conditioner running. We're currently cooling the hallway over here, so 3 air conditioners running. Pretty damn hot. This sort of crap. Little kids. What the fuck? In my room over here. 2009 80,000 BTU digital Samsung window unit running. And a unit that you haven't seen, 2012 Samsung 18,000 BTU window air conditioner running. This is a new unit that replaced an older 2004 Panasonic. So that's basically 54,000 BTUs, almost 5 tons of cooling, 4.5 tons of cooling for 3 rooms and a hallway. Pretty good.